How to silence calls on iPhone without blocking. To silence calls on iPhone without blocking, you first need to open Settings on your iPhone. Here, you will be able to make all the primary changes. Now, scroll down to the Focus option and tap on it. Once you're in, tap on the Do Not Disturb option. While this feature is enabled, it silences your notifications and calls. To specify it even more, you need to tap on the People section over here. Then, you need to tap on the plus icon here to add people. Select a name from the contacts. Then, tap on Done at the top right corner. Now, hit Backspace. And drag down the control center from your upper right. After that, tap on Focus from the control center. A menu will appear on your screen. From here, select Do Not Disturb. Close the control center and hit Backspace twice. Then, scroll all the way to the end. And tap on Apps. Here, you will be able to manage all your default apps individually. Tap on the phone application from here. Then, scroll down to the Silence Unknown Caller option. And tap on it. Toggle on the Silence Unknown Callers option. Now calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the Recents list. By following these simple steps, you can easily silence calls on your iPhone without blocking.